Good morning, friends. I am Ankit Ladda, Assistant Professor Civil Engineering Department. Today we discuss one more video on road estimate. In earlier video, only downward gradient or banking are there, but in this question we prepare a detailed estimate of road work with downward gradient and upward gradient, banking and filling. So the question is, prepare a detailed estimate of earthwork for a portion of a road from the following data. In this question, there are 0 to 1200 chainage are given. It means total 13 number of chainage are given. These are 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100 and 1200. And RL of ground is at 0 chainage 114.5, then on 100th 114.75, respectively 115.25, 115.2, 116.1, 116.85, 118, 118.25, 118.1, 117.8, 117.75, 117.95, 117.50. And the RL of formation at the first chainage or 0 chainage is 115, and chainage 0 to 600 meter upward gradient 1 in 200 are given, and afterwards 700 to 1200 meter chainage downward gradient 1 in 400 is given, and formation width of road B equal to 10 meter, and side slope is 2:1 in banking, that means in banking S equal to 2, and 1.5:1 in cutting, that means S equal to 1.54 cutting. Adopt suitable rates. So this is question. Now we come on solution. First we find out the gradient, upward gradient and downward gradient. Upward gradient is given that 1 in 200, that means 1 upon 200 into 100, that is 0.5, and upward gradient are given, then we add, then we are adding RL of formation. And downward gradient 1 in 400, that means 1 in 400 into 100, that is 0.25, that means subtract or minus from the RL of formation. So first we prepare a cross section of road. First we denote chainage or distance 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100 or 1200, that is distance or chainage. After RL of ground are drawn. RL of ground are given in question in meter. Then RL of formation, first RL of formation is 115, then we add for upward gradient 0.5, then the on 100 chainage 5.5, then we add 0.5, that is 116, again add 1.5, 116.5, then 117, 117.5, 118. So the at the channel 600, the RL of formation is 118. After 600, the downward gradient 1 in 400 is given. Then the 0.25 is minus from the RL of formation. Then the 118 minus 0.25, that is 117.75. Then again minus 0.525, 117.5, 117.25, 117, 116.75, 116.5 up to the last channel 1200, that is 116.5. After this, we prepare a cross section of height of banking and depth of cutting. So height of banking value are below the cross section, and depth of cutting is above the cross section. Then we all know that height of banking equal to RL of formation minus RL of ground. Then the 115 minus 114.5, that is 0.5. 115.5 minus 114.75, that is 0.75. 116 minus 115.25, that is 0.75. Again 116.5 minus 115.2, that is 1.3. Then 0.9, then 0.6, and then 118 minus 118, that is 0. Then 117.75 minus 118.25, that is 0.5, 0.6, 0.55, 0.75, 1.15 and 1 meter. That is the height of bank or depth of cutting. After this, we prepare a cross section according to the reading of formation line and ground line, that means RL of ground or RL of formation. We first draw the RL of ground according to the data. RL of ground 114.5, 114.75, 115.25. we prepare vertically columns with respect to RL of ground readings, and then all points are joined. Then we draw the RL of formation line, and again we joint all points or all channels. Then RL of formation line or RL of formation is a straight line 0 to 600 channels. RL of formation line is above the ground line or RL of ground, and 600 to 1200, after 600 to 1200 channels, the RL of formation line is below the ground, RL of ground or ground line. That means 0 to 600 is filling, and after 600 to 1200 there are cuttings. Then we calculate the quantities. For quantities, calculation of quantities are tables. Draw the tables of calculation of quantities. First station or channels, then distance, then height or depth, then mean height or depth, central area BD, B into D, meter square, area of sides SD square, meter square, total sectional area, BD plus SD square in meter square, then distance between 2 station, that is capital L in meter, and then quantity BD plus SD square into L. In this quantity, banking and cutting are separately drawn. First, stations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then distance 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100 or 1200. Then height or depth 0.5, 0.75, 0.75, 1.3, 0.9, 0.65, 0, then 0.5, 0.6, 0.55, 0.75, 1.15, 1. In the height or depth are given in minus. This is only for the cutting sign. There are no other means of minus. Then we calculate mean height or depth. Then the first line is blank. First two height or depth are adding and divided by 2. 0.5 plus 0.75 divided by 2, that is 0.65. Then 0.75 plus 0.75 divided by 2, 0.75. Accordingly, all mean height or depth are calculated, that is 1.025, 1.1, 0.775, 0.325, 0.250, 0.550, 0.575, 0.65, 0.95, 1.075. Then we calculate central area BD in meter square. We know that B equal to 10 meter and small d is mean height or depth. Then the 6.25, 7.5, 10.25, 11, 7.75, 3.25, 2.5, 5.5, 5.75, 6.5, 9.5, 10.75. Then we calculate area of side SD square. So 0 to 600 S equal to 2 and D is depth, mean height or depth. Then the 2 into D square, 2 into 0.625 ka square, that is 0.78. Again 1.13, 2.1, 2.42, 1.2, 0.21. After 600 S equal to 1.5. Then the 1.5 into 2.5 ka square, that is 0.09, 0.45, 0.5, 0.65, 63, 1.35, 1.75, 73. Then the total sectional area BD plus SD square, both are already calculated, BD and SD square. Then the adding both BD plus SD square, that is 7.03, 8.63, 12.35, 13.42, 8.95, 3.46, 2.59, 5.95, 6.25, 7.13, 10.85, 12.48. Distance between the station, two station, that is capital L. The distance is 100 meter in all chainage between the two station. Then we calculate the quantities BD plus SD square into L. First banking, then the 7.03 into 100, that is 703, 863, 1235, 1342, 895, 346. After the 600 chainage, in 700 the cutting are there, then the value of quantity is calculated or drawn in cutting. 2.59 into 100, that is 2.59, 5.95 into 100, 595, 625, 713, 1085, 1248. Then we calculate the total banking and cutting. The total banking is 5384 cubic meter and total cutting is 4525 cubic meter. Then we prepare the abstract sheet, abstract of estimated cost For the abstract sheet, item number, particulars, quantity, rate and cost columns are drawn. First item number, earthwork in banking and earthwork in cutting. Both quantity are 5384 cubic meter of banking of 4525 cubic meter for cutting. In the question, rate are not given, so we assume the rate for banking 275 percentage cubic meter and for cutting 350 percentage cubic meter. Then we multiplied by quantity into rate and divided by 100 because the rate is given in percentage. Then the cost is comes 14,806 rupees, and 4,525 multiplied by 350 divided by 100, that is comes 15,835.5. Add both banking and cutting cost, that is total comes 30,643.5 rupees. Then we add 5%, 3% for contingency charges and 2% for work charge establishment, that is 1,532.18 rupees. Add both total and 5%, then the grand total is comes 32,175.68 rupees, and that is the answer of this question. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.